Square. Further down the block is the Elizabeth Street shopping mall, closed to traffic in the mid-1970s. To commemorate the illustrious reign of Queen Victoria. A telegram announcing the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole was sent by Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen at this post office in 1912. As we cross Macquarie Street, to our left is Hobart's magnificent town hall, which was designed by Henry Hunter in the Italian Renaissance style and was completed in 1864. It is home to the office of the city's mayor and aldermen. To our right is Franklin Square, which was named after an early governor of Van Diemen's Land, Sir John Franklin. We are now arriving back at the Tasmanian Travel and Information Centre. Stay on board, as the best is yet to come, with panoramic views of the River Derwent and the magnificent Royal Tasmanian